everyone. It's Megan from the Teach Better team with a short video series to offer some information about FlipGrid. In these videos, we are going to talk about what FlipGrid is, how to go about setting up an account, creating your first grid, and then sharing that grid with students, and ways to use FlipGrid. Let's start by just kind of talking about what FlipGrid is. So FlipGrid is an online platform, and it's an awesome tech tool that you can use to engage and offer voice in your classroom by recording and sharing short videos. It's a really great way to connect with your students virtually. So first, we are going to start with how to create an account if you've never created one. If you don't already have an account, you're going to open up an internet browser and go to flipgrid.com. Here, you're going to click in the top right corner where it says Educator Sign Up. Now you have two options. You can either sign up with Microsoft or you can sign up with Google. Because I have a Google account and Gmail account, I'm going to click Sign Up with Google. So you can see here you have options of where different emails that you've used. You can also click Use Another Account if your account is not listed. I'm going to use my Teach Better email. And it is going to create an account where then it asks you a little bit about yourself. So you should fill in your first and last name for you, but you can change that. You're going to choose your country. You can choose the age range of your learner, and you can kind of see they break it down. If you teach multiple, I would just choose maybe the one that you spend the most time with, and then your date of birth. So you're just going to put in your date of birth. And then click Let's Go. Now you've created an account, and from here you can join us for our next video where I will talk through, now that you have your account, how do you go about setting up your first grid and how do you share that with your students?